Welcome students. So today we will discuss the second chapter of the class 9 chemistry, that is matter around us pure? What do you think? Is the matter around us pure? No, right? Okay, so listen, I will keep mute to you all. Okay, if you have any query or any questions at a time, you can unmute it and you can ask. Okay, here the matter around us pure. So the matter around us are not pure at all. Okay, so we can divide these matters. Okay, we only learned in the first chapter that is the matter around us. Matters are generally we divide it into the three: solid, liquid, and gases. Right. So here again we are going to study about these matters, the solid, liquid, and gases. Is they are pure? That is question. Okay. So we can divide these matters. Before going all those things, let me highlight about this one. So matters can be divided into two. Okay, so one is the pure. One is the pure substance. Okay, another one is the mixture. Okay, another one is the mixture. Okay, so in the pure substance, here again we can categorize it into the two. Okay, we can categorize it into the two. What are they? One is the element. Okay, another one is the compound. Okay, one is element and another one is the compound. Again, this element we can divide it into the three main types again. What are the three? One is the metal. Another one is the non-metal that you already learned in your class 8. Okay, non-metals, and another one is the metalloids. Okay, metalloids. Okay, elements, metals, non-metals, and the metalloids. Examples of the metals are just like say copper, gold. Gold को we represent by AU, okay, and silver को AG. And non-metals, like the example, this is the example, okay. And non-metals examples like the oxygen that we use for our breathing. Oxygen, okay, chlorine gas, iodines and all, okay. And metalloids, just like it possesses both the properties of metals and non-metals. Just like the silicon, borons and all, okay. Yeah. This compound, so it doesn't have the, just we can categorize just as a pure substance, compound is obtained. Just like water. Okay, water is a compound and that is a pure substance. Yeah. And this is about a pure substance. And now here it comes to the mixture. Okay, so in this mixture we can divide into the two. Okay, what are they? Number first one is what? That is the homogeneous. Homogeneous. And another one is the heterogeneous. Okay, we divide the mixture into the two types. What is that? Homogeneous mixture, and another one is the heterogeneous mixture. Okay, so our topic is all about this one. Okay, what we are going to study, we are going to learn, okay, in this chapter is all about this substance. Okay, and also we know that here in the mixture, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Okay, yes, I will give you here homogeneous mixture. It is the mixture in which the constituent particles are mixed throughout. That means they cannot seen by the naked eye, just like water and alcohol. Dono mix karkar, can you find out this is water and alcohol? We don't, right? So such kind of substance is called as homogeneous. Okay, don't worry, we are going to study step by step, one by one. Okay, but I'm just highlighting about this. Okay, homogeneous mixture example, what we can write, say the salt and water. Okay, just this is an example. Another example also there. Heterogeneous mixture. It is just simple. Just say the sand and stone. Okay, when we mix the sand and stone, and even you used to have the tea, right? So while making the tea leaves, okay, tejpata, right, and cardamom or the sugar, water, milk, whatever we get, right? Okay, so some are homogeneous, some are heterogeneous. Okay, just keep in mind, tea leaves and all, they do not drop. Right, so they are heterogeneous, we can filter it, right? But when this milk, it come in contact or mixed with the water, then it mixed throughout. Okay, so that's fine again. Yeah, there undergoes the heterogeneous also, we can say, right? Yeah, so this is about the matters, pure substance, elements, compound, mixture, homogeneous and heterogeneous. And also we will learn in this chapter methods. Yeah, methods of separation. Okay, methods of the separations of mixtures. Okay, methods of the separations of yes, right now. Okay, so methods of the separation of the mixture also we will learn in this chapter. Why we need to get a pure substance. Okay, a pure substance is required by in our day-to-day life. Okay, in terms of the chemistry, to produce or to make the different kinds of the medicines and all, pure substance is required. Okay, even when we eat the food, that one also we require the pure substance. Okay, so if the rice is mixed with a stone and some other things, then can you eat? No, nah. So we used to throw only, right? So pure substance is very important. So we will learn these mixtures. Okay, we will separate. Okay, to its pure components. That also we will learn in this chapter. Okay, then without wasting our time, we can proceed to what I call our chapter. Okay, so that is the chapter, this chapter, and we'll go to the substance, the pure substance first. Okay, we'll learn the pure substance. Yeah, so let us start. About the matters, so we already know anything. Okay, which have the mass, occupy space, and all we learned in chapter number 1. Yeah, and now here we already know, is matter around us pure? No, we'll say, right? Yeah, matter around us are not pure at all. Some are a mixture and some are pure. Okay, so this point. Okay, so let us learn about better to start from the mixture or better to learn from the pure substance. Yes, you tell me, you suggest. Okay, from the mixture. Okay, fine. Yeah, let us learn from the mixture. Pure to generally only. Okay, so they don't have any other specialties. Okay, so let us learn from the mixture. Okay, then. Mixtures. Okay, so we have to learn about the mixture. What is a mixture? Okay. Okay, why I write all the capital letters? Okay. Okay, a mixture is a substance, okay, which consists of, or which contain, that's shortly we can say, okay, which consists of more than two substances, okay, which consists of the more than two substances or more than two components, we can say, more than two components mixed. Okay, components are mixed in any ratio. Okay, don't get confused about the ratio. In any amount, we can in any amount. Okay, we mix. I think you used to eat tanamuri, right? Tanamuri, you used to eat nearby the roadside. Those baya are selling and all, right? So in the tanamuri, they do not have the fixed components like बादाम को 5 होना चाहिए, हाँ मूरी का हाँ 100 होना चाहिए. Okay, it doesn't fix, right? So such kind of the substance, okay, we can mix in any amount. Okay, they are simply, we can call it as the mixture. Okay, in mixture more than 2 components are present and they are mixed in any amount. Okay, so that substance are called as the mixture. For example, here, just ranamuri we can write. Okay, so no problem. So we can write, say, the sand and the stone. Sand and the stone. You pick up, let's say, the sand and the stone. If we mix, okay, that we can find out this is the sand and the stone. Some characteristic properties are there for a mixture. Okay, so that also we have to learn. Okay, sand and stone, and we can write down some other examples like the salt and iron. Yeah, salt and sugar also we can say, no problem. Okay, so etc. Many other mixtures are there. Okay, no problem. We will learn in details about the properties. What are the properties of this mixture? Okay, that's so let us learn the properties. Properties of mixtures. Okay, so what are the properties of the mixture? Okay, so number 1 point. Okay, constituent particles. We cannot say about a homogeneous. Okay, Karanat, why it's very late? Some of you are joining very lately. Okay, so don't be late next time. I told you before the scheduled time, 5 minutes before the scheduled time, you have to join. Okay, so everyone is compulsory to join before the 5 minutes. Because here we have to check the network also, and also how many of you are present and all, we have to check. Okay, so next time don't be late, everyone. Yeah, we cannot come about this type. Okay, there is homogeneous है, heterogeneous है, कभी भी बोल नहीं सकेगा क्योंकि ये properties of mixture है. Mixture का type में आएगा वो, that is a homogeneous and heterogeneous. इसलिए constituent particles. The properties of the mixture is that constituent particles, okay, do not mix throughout. Okay, the constituent particles do not mix throughout. Number 2nd point. Okay, constituent particles are not fixed. Some of you, your mic is on, please just off, and when you need it at that time you just unmute. Okay. Okay, constituent particles are not fixed in amounts. In this English you can write in any. Okay, I mean that you can write your own also. Okay, that means that the constituent particles are not fixed. How much we have to mix now? It doesn't fix in mixture. Okay, yeah. And in number 3rd point here, constituent particles can be seen by naked eye. Okay, the constituent particles we can see. Okay, okay. So why I write can be? Because some of the substance also we cannot see, because water and alcohol when we mix at a time, so we will not see, right? So that's why I write here can be seen. Okay, can be seen by naked eyes, because some examples of the mixture can be seen separately, right? That's why. Okay, yeah, property is not over. Okay, so in the number 4, in the number 4 here, what we can write? Okay, so here it comes, yeah, constituent particles can be separated. Okay, can be separated by easy method, or you say ordinary method. Okay, can be separated by ordinary method. Okay, in the simple way. Okay, simply we can separate the, yes, which one, which number? Constituent, oh sorry, yes, particles I don't mention, right? Okay, thank you. Constituent particles can be separated by ordinary method. Yeah. Okay, by the ordinary method we can separate the constituent particles, just like the stone and the sand. Yes. Ordinary method means simple method. Okay, ordinary method means, yes, examples of the ordinary method is that when you mix the sand and the stone, just by hand pick up also you can remove now. So that is ordinary method. Okay, it's not about the scientific, any scientific appliances are used, no, no. So that is called the ordinary method. Clear? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Constituent particles do not mix throughout. Constituent particles are not fixed in amounts. Okay. And constituent particles can be seen by naked eyes. Constituent particles can be separated by ordinary method. And also we can say, oh, that one Tyndall effect, let us come in the homogeneous and heterogeneous, because many contradictions will come here if I keep here. Okay. So as a whole, so some mixture they can occur this one also, this one, what do you call, Tyndall effect, and some are not. So we better not to mention here. Okay, so let us, this is just some important properties of the mixture. Okay, and now we will divide this mixture into two types now. Okay, now we'll come to the types of mixture. Okay, so I rub this one down here, and now it comes to the types of mixture. Yeah. Types of mixture. Okay. In these types of the mixture, generally we will divide it into the two categories, that is homogeneous mixture and the heterogeneous mixture. This is very important part you have to keep in mind. Okay, so here type of mixture number 1 is that homogeneous mixture. Okay, and in the second heterogeneous mixture will come, but let us study homogeneous mixture first. Okay, and to make it understand step by step. So those mixture in which the constituent particles, okay, in which the constituent particles are mixed throughout. Okay, don't get confused about throughout. That means that they homogeneously they mix each other, and you will not be able to separate out this is salt, okay, or this is water, like that. Okay, you will not be able to identify the two components. Okay, two or more components you cannot identify. Okay, so those mixture in which the constituent particles mix throughout, okay, are called homogeneous mixture, okay, are called homogeneous mixture. Examples of the homogeneous mixture, that is the salt, okay, in water, okay, or you just say sugar in water, okay, sugar in water, sabun ka solution hota hai, soap solution, you can mention that one also, okay, so it's okay. So salt in water and sugar in water, okay, many others are also there. There is water and alcohol, water and alcohol and all, okay, so they will be under the category of the homogeneous mixture, okay. So now here we'll come to the next topic. It's not about the topic, about the properties only, okay, for this one, okay. So we have to learn that the homogeneous mixture and its properties, the properties of the homogeneous mixture. So let us learn. Yes. Okay, if you have any inquiry or any confusion, you can unmute yourself and you can write, you can ask the question, okay? Yes. Oh, अपना time आएगा, okay? अपना time आएगा उसका, okay? So don't be worried. We are going to do the method of separation. That's why I have given you in the start. I have given you. We will learn the process of separation also, right? So it will come. It's time. Okay. So when it comes, we will discuss. Okay. Simply, if I say by the distillation or fractional distillation, we can separate. Okay. Yeah. But we will discuss in detail. Okay. So no need to be very hurry. Okay. Now, yeah. So now we'll discuss about the properties. Properties of the properties of the homogeneous mixture. Okay, you mute it. Smriti, just mute it. Okay, properties of the homogeneous mixture. What are the properties? Okay, I am giving you in terms of the here note here. Okay, so if in every note you must think that what questions can arise. Okay, so you must think yourself after writing, after noting down all these things, you must ask yourself what questions can arise by the teacher. Now you must think. Okay, what are the, or give some properties of homogeneous mixture, like that also can come. And you are class 9, let me check 1-2 minutes, okay. So you are in class 9 now, okay. So class 9 is not like class 6, 7 and 8. Up to the class 5, 6, 7, 8, okay. Even just you by heart, rafta marne se bhi ho hi jata hai exam ke liye, okay. But when you come to higher class 9 and 10, it will not work. Why? Because in class 9, okay, we will teach you here ABC. You will say that start teach us ABC here in the board, in the class. Okay, but in the exam, AX plus BX plus CX ऐसा आता है बोलेगा. Surely, okay. What I mean to say is that we will teach the basic things here, okay. And also, you must be able to understand and able to apply that topic. Okay, we have to apply. That is application question. घुमा फिरा कर बहुत ज़्यादा question पूछता है इधर में. Okay, so that's why you to understand the basic things is very, very important. Basic things you have to be clear. Okay, otherwise so you will keep on asking the questions, this, why, how, and all. Okay, so make it clear these basic things right from this class 9, and in the 10 it will be very simple for you again. Okay, so that's only I want to suggest you. Yeah, properties of the homogeneous mixture. Number 1, first point, okay, homogeneous mixture. Okay, the first point, the particles, okay, mix throughout. Okay, the particles of the homogeneous mixture mix throughout. This is the first point. In the second point, we can write down the particles cannot be seen by naked eye. The particles cannot, okay, be seen by naked eye. Okay, and third point, particles cannot be, okay, separated by, yeah, simply you can say filter paper. Okay, filter paper इस्तेमाल करके हम उसको that is separate कर नहीं सकेगा. Okay, the particles cannot be separated by the filter paper. Okay, and in the number 4 point here, they do not cause Tyndall effect. Yeah, new terms you will learn here. Okay, so Tyndall effect, and then the questions will come here. What is Tyndall effect? Okay, so the notes will be given, but let me explain you right now. Tyndall effect is the scattering of the light. Okay, scattering of the, sorry, just wait, it will come, okay, it will come there, the one topic is there, at that time only I will give you, okay, otherwise it will mix through this one. Okay, just you understand now, Tyndall effect is the scattering of the parts of the light by the particles of the matter. Okay, those people who wake up early in the morning may find the Tyndall effect. In the early morning, you know, this the part, okay, when the sun's light comes from the east side, and when it passes through the, just mute all, okay, when it passes through the what? When it passes through the forest, okay, then here the part of the light, okay, the part of the light is visible. Or just simple example, if I say, yes, yeah, I am explaining, okay, just mute it. Okay, so when this light when passed through the forest, okay, Tyndall effect generally occur in the forest or in the water droplet also. Okay, when this sunlight pass through the forest, so you will find that this what you call the part of the light will be, yes, okay, this part of the light will be scattered by this forest and all. Okay, or as you see, I will draw here. See, sunlight is coming here, and there is how many trees are here. Okay, and due to this tree here, the part of the light, some of the particles of the light is blocked, and then the part is used to visible. Or just simple example, if I say, I expand in your room during the night time, okay, during the night time, now in your room light is there, but can you see the part of the light there? No. Okay, you cannot see now, right? But when you turn off all the light in the dark room, if you use a torch light, okay, when you use a torch light, and then when you turn on the torch light, then the part of the light is visible. Okay, part of the light you will surely will be visible if your room is dusty. Okay, if your room is dusty, surely you will be able to see the part of the light. Okay, why? Because the part of the light is blocked by these particles. Let's say in your room it is blocked by the dust particles. Okay, or you say simply in our school. In our school, we have the smart board, smart class, right? So during the smart class time, from this what I call projector, when the light comes, if our room is dusty or when we use the chalk, the part of the light is okay, the part of the light is blocked and we are able to see that part of the light, right? So that is called the Tyndall effect. Very simply we can say. Okay, just as a definition will come that, okay, the scattering of the light or just a scattering of the part of the light by the particles of the matter is called Tyndall effect. Okay, so many properties are here, so we'll discuss later for that one. Okay, Tyndall effect especially. Okay, so no need to worry for that one. Yeah, we'll come back to these properties. That is, the particle mixed throughout. Particles cannot be seen by naked eye. Particles cannot be separated by filter paper. They do not cause Tyndall effect. Okay, so just these points up to enough, I think so. No need to give the much more points, enough only. Okay, yeah. If we write down some, is there any others? Mixed throughout, cannot be seen by naked eye. Particles, okay. Yes, number 5 point. Let us add this point, okay? Okay, in the next point we can add here particles do not. Okay, the particles do not settle down. Okay, particles do not settle down when kept undisturbed. Okay, when kept undisturbed. Okay, if we keep undisturbed, the particles, okay, do not settle down. Okay, नीचे में वो पार्टिकल लॉक नहीं आएगा. Okay, हम ऐसा ना हिलकर ऐसा रखने से भी कभी भी नीचे में settle down नहीं होगा. Okay, so these are the properties of the homogeneous mixture. Okay, then now we can proceed to the second type of the mixture, that is heterogeneous mixture. Okay, please keep in mind that these properties, okay, and with this one only we are going to write. Okay, now let us go to the second point, that is the heterogeneous mixture. Mixture that heterogeneous diagram. Okay.